Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to create Yzma, the evil witch from the Disney movie The Emperor's New Groove. So this one is loads of fun to create, especially with the lovely costume. So if you want to know how you can create an Yzma just like this one, please keep watching because I will show you step by step in the coming video. I googled loads of pictures of Yzma, and depending on the picture she is kind of purple, but in other pictures she has kind of a zombie purple color. So I ended up mixing my own color for Yzma today. This color is called La La Land. It is a soft purple by Superstar. This is white by Diamond FX, and this is the Zombie Flash Fantasy FX by Meron. So I just mixed these three and that gave me a nice base color for Yzma, which is purple but also kind of zombie-ish. So as you can see, this is Zombie Flash, but it is also a bit purple. It is kind of a strange color, but that is her color as well. And I hope I mixed up enough to begin with. And otherwise I have to try to make more of this color. So that is why I usually don't mix my own colors when it comes to just water-based face paints, because getting the exact same color once again is pretty difficult. And I also put some Derma Shield on my skin before I started. That makes removing the makeup once it's done easier. So it is a foam which you can just apply to your skin. And that forms a barrier between your skin and the makeup, and it doesn't really change anything about the application. It still goes on as you are used to, but when you want to remove it again, it's way easier when you have a layer of Derma Shield over your skin. Now the base color is on my skin. I'm going to continue to the eye makeup. So she has purple eyeshadow as well, and I have a few pretty amazing colors by Ben Nye in the Lumiere palette. This one is called Cosmic Violet, and I'm gonna pull that eyeshadow all the way up to my eyebrows, because the eyebrows will be way higher up my head than they are naturally. I am switching to Amethyst, which is a darker purple. I mixed the layer of Cosmic Purple with a bit of water to make it more opaque on the skin, especially for my eyebrow. I really wanted to get that coverage that I needed. So now I'm just going to make the same shape but a little bit smaller with the darker purple. I have a reference picture, I have a detail brush, there is a bit of black face paint on there, and I'm gonna try to make the eyebrows. So they are pretty round, high up on the forehead. Same black I'm gonna use for an eyeliner. So to continue, I'm going to create the bags she has under her eyes, and depending on the picture, they are red, they are gray, they are purple, they are very dark, they are very light. So I decided to go with this purplish color to start out with. This one is in the Cool Glam palette by Ben Nye, and I'm just gonna create bags under my eyes. Switching to this red color, adding a bit of that to deepen those bags. I will use the same color of purple to start shaping my face. And of course, where you have shadows, you also need highlights. So I'm going to put them in with white Star Blend by Meron to start out with the nose, because that is a very prominent piece in this makeup. So I'm just putting white on there to really accent that triangle nose she has. I'm gonna put a highlight under the eyebrow. As I'm happy with the shadows and the highlights for this makeup, I think it's time for the lipstick. So she has a very dark pink lipstick, and that is why I'm using the color Black Eye by Diamond Effects. As you can see, it has been used to double dip flowers with one stroke face painting. And I'm going to use a bit of that white that is still on there with the black eye to create the dark pink I need to put Yzma's lipstick on. Time for the lashes. I cut mine out of thin sheets of EVA foam, but you can also make them out of pieces of paper if you want to. And I'm going to glue them on with Pearlsate and hopefully they will stick. So I got 2 of the eyelashes on each eye with the Pearlsate. I tried to get more of them on my eyelids, but once I closed my eyes, the false lashes would come down. I don't know if that is my age or the strength of the skin of my eyelids, but well, for me it didn't work, and if you discover that a plan doesn't work, you just have to change the plan. So I got 2 of these enormous eyelashes just next to my eye, and I put a bit of mascara on, and well, that is the eyes we have to work with for Yzma today. So I have some accessories. I've got a hat and I've got some lovely, well, very big thing for around my neck, and let me quickly get those on. And there are my accessories. So I am in love with this neck piece, and the fact that I don't really have a neck anymore when wearing that is kind of a bonus. So it is kind of a feathery thing, and well, it looks absolutely amazing. The headpiece is enormous as well, so I folded it back. It actually goes way higher than I put it on at this point. Well, I could just have put it as high as it could be because it doesn't fit the camera anyway, but it is, well, it's just lovely for Yzma. And the dress is just a plain black dress. It's a bit too big for me, but that is basically because I bought it a size too large, and as it isn't from the Netherlands where I am from, I didn't want to return it and change the size. I thought, well, let's just go with it as it is. But yeah, I really liked the makeup. I was kind of disappointed in the eyelashes. I really wanted all of those lashes to go on there, and I didn't really think about that not being possible because of my eyelids or because of my age or because of the age of my skin or all of them mixed together. But overall, I really enjoyed creating this Yzma makeup. So I hope obviously that you enjoyed watching it as well. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below. Stay tuned on all our videos. We have a new video every day till Halloween. So if you want to see me turning myself into a different Halloween themed character before Halloween, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. For now, I wish you a wonderful day, and of course I hope to see you back tomorrow.